Phase 1. The discovery of the invisible connections. Everything in the universe is interwoven, far more deeply than our senses can perceive. This is what spiritual science aims to reveal. Connections where we once saw only isolated points. We uncover relationships between the reality we experience and the forces operating on physical, quantum, metaphysical, and spiritual levels. And when a link appears to be missing, we can add new perspectives, just as science hopes that particles like the Higgs boson will close remaining gaps. Sacred geometry also creates such bridges. It reveals how natural systems interact, patterns we can recognize and mirror to live more in harmony with nature and with ourselves. Phase 2. The patterns behind reality. When we begin to recognize recurring patterns, we start to understand how vast this network truly is. Just as every animal is part of its ecosystem, we too are connected to our planet and the cosmos in a way that feels almost alive. The ancient trinity of sun, earth, and human unfolds as an energetic interplay. The sun as the source of warmth, light, and life. The earth as our body, our home. Ourselves as conscious perception between these two poles. The deeper we explore these patterns, the clearer it becomes that we can transform the way we view ourselves and our lives. This also means letting go of beliefs that no longer serve us. Science now shows that we are literally made of stardust, remnants of exploded suns that shape our bodies and our consciousness. If our awareness emerged from the remains of a star, why shouldn't the universe itself possess a form of consciousness? Phase 3. The language of patterns, how everything fits together. To understand, we must learn to see patterns. When the dots become visible, the bigger picture emerges. Information structures in mycelial networks, neural pathways, internet nodes, even simulations of dark matter show astonishing similarities. Different layers of reality, yet the same underlying form. Technology becomes a tool that expands our perception, an amplifier of consciousness. What was once invisible can now be seen. Researchers describe modern cities as functioning like living organisms, streets resembling arteries, alleyways resembling capillaries, artificial systems that evolve into structures mirroring nature. The more precisely we measure, the more these layers blend together. And this is where hope arises. When we recognize patterns, new possibilities open. The adjacent possible, the future hidden directly beside the present, begins to unfold. Phase 4. The return of light and the question of origin. Many people separate spirit from science, yet in truth, magic begins exactly where powerful forces meet. Even our sun teaches us that energy plus order equals life. Every ancient culture taught that light came first. Not only the Bible, the Maya, Egyptians, and countless others saw light as the creative force of existence. Modern cosmology points to similar conclusions. The universe behaves like a growing organism. The Big Bang was not random. Within the first nanoseconds, patterns and parameters were established that still define everything today. This original blueprint was geometric, a cosmic design template. And what about us? We are part of this creation and, at the same time, co-creators. Our thoughts can take form when we learn how to bring them into the physical world. Phase 5. Consciousness, evolution, and the reconnection with ourselves. Is it possible that what we call spirit, source, or God is actually a hierarchy of consciousness expressing itself on every level of existence? Not only living beings, but the entire universe may be conscious, and we may be individual cells within the body of a greater being, our Earth. Just as a single cell belongs to our body, we belong to hers. She senses what we do, how we think, and how we feel. Our wars, our pain, our self-destruction wound her as well. When we heal ourselves, we heal her. Creation and evolution are not opposites, but two movements of the same force. Creation is consciousness. Evolution is its unfolding. Nothing disappears. Energy transforms. Just as stars die and are reborn, just as cells perish and regenerate, our consciousness continues on an ever-evolving journey. Ancient teachings tell us, the divine force lives within us. The keys to the universe lie in our hearts. Now is the time to reconnect with this inner source and to become what we have always been. Conscious creators in a living universe that sees us, supports us, and loves us. If you enjoyed this journey, feel free to subscribe to my channel. More inspiring impulses are waiting for you there.